Welcome my dear students. In Easy Learning channel we learn subject math. Today we learn chapter number 12 perimeter and area. Perimeter and area. In this part children, in this previous part we have studied some examples based on perimeter and area. म्हणजेच मागील भागात आपण शिकलोय परिमितीची आणि क्षेत्रफळाची काही उदाहरणे. आजच्या भागात आपण शिकणार आहोत क्षेत्रफळाची उदाहरणे. पार्ट नंबर 12.2 एरिया. In today's section we will study examples based on area and what is area. म्हणजेच आज आपण क्षेत्रफळावर आधारित उदाहरणे शिकणार आहोत आणि त्याबरोबरच क्षेत्रफळ म्हणजे काय, क्षेत्रफळाची उदाहरणे कशी सोडवतात त्याचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. We will study how to find the area of rectangular and square objects and practical examples. Part number 12.2 area. Let's recall म्हणजे आपण मागील अभ्यास करूया थोडासा. Area is the measure of the area occupied by figure. क्षेत्रफळ म्हणजे काय तर आकृतीने व्यापलेल्या क्षेत्राचे माप मोजणे म्हणजेच क्षेत्रफळ काढणे होय. पुढे सूत्रांचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. एरिया ऑफ स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू साइड इंटू साइड इज इक्वल टू साइड स्क्वेअर. एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज इक्वल टू लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ is equal to L into B. Area is measured in square meters, square centimeters and square kilometers. म्हणजे एरिया चौरस मीटर, चौरस सेंटीमीटर आणि चौरस किलोमीटर मध्ये मोजतात. Measure the length and breadth of courts laid out for games such as a kho-kho, kabaddi, tennis, badminton, etc. Find out their perimeter and areas. Here are some photos of kho-kho, kabaddi, badminton ground with its measurements. The measurements of each ground are fixed. The game is played by planning to the ground measurements of each games. These grounds are kho-kho, kabaddi, badminton. A wall in Aniruddha's house is to be painted. The wall is 7 meter long and 5 meter high. If the painter charges 120 rupees per square meter, how much will he have to be paid? या उदाहरणाचा अर्थ अनिरुद्धच्या घराच्या भिंतींना रंग द्यायचा आहे. त्या रंगाऱ्याला 120 रुपये प्रति चौरस मीटर प्रमाणे किती रुपये द्यावे लागतील ते ठरवा. Here some photos of wall painting shown in this picture. Wall painting. First find the area of the wall म्हणजे आपण भिंतीचे क्षेत्रफळ काढावे लागेल. सेकंड फाइंड हाऊ मच विल बी पेड मनी टू पेंटर म्हणजे त्या रंगाऱ्याला किती रुपये द्यावे लागतील. फर्स्ट वी फाइंड एरिया ऑफ वॉल इज इक्वल टू लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड बिकॉज वॉल इज रेक्टेंग्युलर. सो लेंथ इज 7 meter and breadth is 5 meter long. 7 meter and 5 meter, 7 meter long and 5 meter high. 7 into 5 is equal to 35 meters. 35 meters, 35 square meter. Second step, painter charges 120 rupees per square meter. Painter charges 120 rupees per square meters. So 35 into 120 rupees. 35 into 120 rupees. 12 5s are 60, 12 3s are 30, 36 plus 6, 4,200 rupees. Painter charges. Second example is, a rectangular garden is 40 meter long and 30 meter wide. A 2 meter wide path is to be paved inside the garden along its boundary. Using tiles 25 cm into 20 cm in size, how many such tiles will be required? या उदाहरणाचा अर्थ असा आहे की एका आयताकृती बागेच्या आतमध्ये कुंपणालगत 2 मीटर रुंदीचा रस्ता करायचा आहे. त्या रस्त्यावर 25 सेंटीमीटर व 20 सेंटीमीटर आकाराच्या फरशा बसवायच्या आहेत. तर किती फरशा आणाव्या लागतील? Here shown a garden photos and how many required tiles in this pathway. Let us solve this example. I draw a rough diagram of garden, 40 meter and 30 meter measurement of garden. Using tiles inside of garden 4 sides, leaving 2 meters of space 4 side, length and breadth 2 meter, 2 meter and 2 meter. Length is 40 meters, so leaving space 2 meters inside the garden, reduce the length to 2 meters 2 side and reduce the breadth to 2 meters 2 side. 30 minus 4, 26 is breadth and 36 is length. This is inside garden 36 and 26 meters. Solve in 5 steps. First, find the area of garden. Second, area not to be paved inside garden. Third, area to be paved using tiles. Fourth, area on tiles. Area of tiles. 5. Number of tiles. In this way we solve example. How to solve? Area of garden is length into breadth. Length is 40 and 30 breadth. 40 into 30, 1200 square meter. Garden area is 1200 square meter. Then area not to be paved. Find the area is not to be paved. Length into breadth. Length is 36 and breadth is 26. 36 into 26 multiply by 26, 936 square meters. Third step of this example, find the area of not to be paved. Area to be paved, 1200 minus 9036. Subtraction is 264 square meters. Area to be paved is 264 meters. म्हणजेच फरशा बसवण्याचा भाग जो आहे त्या भागाचे क्षेत्रफळ आले 264 चौरस मीटर. Fourth step of this example, area of one tiles म्हणजे एका फरशीचे क्षेत्रफळ काढूया. L into B 25 centimeter into 20 centimeter. 10 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, so we convert into meters. 25 upon 100, 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, 1 upon 4, 1 into 1, 4 into 5, 20, 20 meters, square meters, 1 upon 20 square meters. Area of one tiles is 1 upon 20 square meters. Next step of example, number of tiles. Find the number of tiles. Total area divided by area of tiles. म्हणजेच संपूर्ण रस्त्याचे क्षेत्रफळ भागिले फरशीचे क्षेत्रफळ. रस्त्याचे क्षेत्रफळ आपण काढलेले आहे 264 भागिले 1/20. फरशीचे क्षेत्रफळ आले 1/20. 1/20 we converted into inverse multiplication. Inverse 264 multiply 20. Multiply by 20. Number of tiles is 5280 tiles. In this way, we solve this example. Next example is a rectangular playground is 65 meter long and 30 meter wide. A pathway of 1.5 meter width goes all around the ground. Outside it, find the area of pathway. याचाच अर्थ एका आयताकृती क्रीडांगणाची मापे दिलेली आहेत आणि क्रीडांगणालगत बाहेरून 1.5 मीटर रुंदीचा रस्ता आहे. तर त्या रस्त्याचे क्षेत्रफळ किती? बाहेरून रस्ता आहे पा, लांबी आणि रुंदी वाढवायची आहे. लेट्स सॉल्व दिस एक्झाम्पल. द प्लेग्राउंड इज रेक्टेंग्युलर. ABCD is playground. (65 meters and 30 meters wide). The pathway is 1.5 meters width, goes all around the ground outside. 1.5 meter wide. Width is 1.5 meter. 4 side. PQRS is new rectangle. Measurement of PQRS is width is 30 plus 3 33 meters and length is 65 plus 3 68 meters. Because two side width is long, ABCD measurement is 65 and 30 meter and PQRS measurement is 68 and 33 meters. We find area of pathway. So we find first area of PQRS, area of path. We find area of path. Area of path is equal to area of PQRS minus area of ABCD. PQRS is equal to length into breadth minus length into breadth. PQRS measurement is 68 into 33. Length 68 and breadth 33. (2244) multiplication is, and 65 multiply 30 multiplication is 1950. 1950 subtract from 2240. Answer is 294 square meters. 294 square meters. In this way, we find the area of path. Area of pathway is 294 meters. A rectangular playground 65 meter long and 30 meter wide, 1.5 meter width, goes around to ground outside, and find pathway is 294. Next example is mobile. Find the area of the screen of mobile. Example is, the length and the width of mobile phone are 13 cm and 7 cm respectively. It has a screen PQRS as shown in the figures. What is the area of the screen? याचाच अर्थ मोबाईलची लांबी रुंदी दिलेली आहे, तर मोबाईलच्या स्क्रीनचे क्षेत्रफळ काढा. Let us solve this example. Mobile's measurement is, mobile is A, B, C and D. 7 cm width and 13 cm length. Bottom side leaving space 2 cm. Upper side 1.5 cm. Leaving 1.5 cm two sides, left and right. Upper side 1.5 cm and bottom side 2 cm. This is screen. 7 cm minus 2. 1.5 two side. Remaining 13 minus 1.5 minus 2. 13 minus 3.5 cm. 9.5 cm long screen. And breadth is 1.5 two side. 7 minus 1.5 minus 1.5. 7 minus 3, 4 cm breadth. Length is 9.5 cm and breadth is 4 cm. This is measurement of screen. Let's find area of screen. Now we have got the length and breadth of the screen. We can find the area of screen. Quadrilateral PQRS is screen. Length 9.5 cm and breadth is 4 cm. We can find the area of screen. Area of screen is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. Therefore, 9.5 into 4 cm multiply by 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 9s are 36 plus 2 38. 38 centimeter. Area of screen is 38 square centimeter. In this way, find the area of screen. Next activity is, take mobile handsets of different sizes and find the area of their screens. वेगवेगळ्या मोबाईलच्या स्क्रीनचे क्षेत्रफळ काढा. Children, in today's part we have learned examples area in which the area of garden, the area of mobiles, the area of mobile screen. I hope you all understand these examples. Thanks my dear students. Stay home, stay safe and study regularly.